Hey guys, Chris here from Tesla RC Designs and my Heli. I just wanted to show you a trick real quick for those of you who get confused about tail direction and tail compensation. If you've got your tail blades facing straight up and down, and this is a tail that moves counterclockwise, which is most helicopters, and you fold this blade forward, so the leading edge, the fat part of the blade, is on top. Now if you have a clockwise, so if your tail spins this way, your blades would actually be facing like this, which is the trailing edge on top. You would fold the blade backwards. As long as the leading edge of the blade is always on top when you fold it and you stand behind the helicopter, if I give left rudder, because I want to turn to the left, the nose left, this blade should go over the boom. It's going left. Now, for compensation, if I move the boom to the left, which is a right turn, this blade will also go over the boom. Same way if this is the leading edge on top, left turn, it'll go that way, and if you turn the tail that way, it'll go that way. Now another way you can do this is the trailing edge, the thin part. If you give a left turn and they're straight up and down, the trailing edge will go the direction you turn. So if you're going left, the trailing edge will go left. If you turn the boom left, which is a right turn, it will compensate again to the left. Now if neither one of those ways work for you, you can go to your main blades. Okay, so you've got, here's your leading edge and your trailing edge of the blade. Leading edge is the fat end. So if you give positive pitch, your helicopter is going to go up, correct? Well, so you know the leading edge of the blade is facing up. So you can come back here, and I know that if the leading edge of the blade is facing that way, it's actually pulling the tail that way, which is a left turn. Okay? If I move the tail to the left, again, now it's going to do the same thing. We want it to compensate by pulling the helicopter back, the nose back to the left. So you can always check. If you're unsure about either of the first two ways, you can come to your main blades and go, negative pitch is pulling the helicopter down, leading edge down, positive pitch, leading edge up, and then just go to your tail, and whichever way it's moving and the leading edge is, you know it's pulling the helicopter toward the leading edge. Hope this helps you guys. If you have any problems, let me know, and I'll try to do a little better at explaining it. Thanks.